Nation, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so let's talk about the look. Okay, we are here with the top bun. Anyway, we are here to unbox this wig, so if you're interested, just keep watching. If you are new, consider subscribing. I post every week on Friday at 12 p.m. and if you are returning, hey BNG Nation, how you guys doing? Comment down below, let me know y'all are here. Okay, let's talk about this wig. All right, so the brand is NAYASA, I want to say, is that how you say it? It's like the letter N and then it's NAYASA. So that is the brand name. For the title, they got this long title. Y'all know how they be having this descriptive title. We're not gonna go through it this time, okay? You can get this wig on Amazon. The wig is $21.99. The color is natural black. The length is 26 inches. On Amazon, it tells you all the washing instructions and all that good stuff. It's premium synthetic wig. All right, so that is it. So we're gonna go ahead and open her up. She comes in this nice little Ziploc bag, just clear, plain Jane. Has the company name right there. This is the ace in here if you want to get it. And yeah. Alright, so we got the wig here. And then we got the wig cap. And this is, if y'all watch my channel, y'all know I don't like wig caps like this, so I will not be using it. But if I come into a bind, I will end up using it, like I always say. So yeah, this is kind of like a fishnet cap. I don't really like fishnet caps. Let's go ahead and unbox this wig. Okay. Alright, she got a nice little tag on her. I wish people would like name their wigs, because it'll make it that much easier for you guys to find it. Like, there's no way you're gonna find this wig under the title name that they be having. So yeah, it has like the brand here with the little tag. That's so cute. We're going to take her out. We got a little tissue paper there. And this is her. Really nice curl pattern. Not like amazing, I'm not gonna lie. It's not like amazing curl pattern. I had better, but she is pretty cute. Definitely looks natural, definitely feels natural, very soft. She got a lot of flyaways. Probably get some moves, some like shade her down or something. But yeah, definitely looks like, what did they say, 26 inches? Definitely looks like 26 or 24 inches of hair. So very cute. Has a little bit of lace just here on the front. So like they said, you can kind of customize it a tad bit, but I won't, because it's not even that serious for that little piece of lace. So we got the what is it called, the part. And actually the part looks pretty good. One of the best parts I've honestly seen at this price point, so that's pretty good. We have 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. Seems like they have some baby hairs in the back. Yeah, wow. So you can lift this wig up, that's great. Yeah, that's basically it. So let's go ahead and try her on. I have it on now, and honestly, it's not too bad. I just don't have that wow factor. I know y'all gonna be looking at it like, wow, that wig is a bomb, but she just don't strike me crazy. Like when you got like a lot of wigs, you know, you start getting real bougie wigs. I'm sorry, you get real bougie. And she cute. So I did cut some baby hairs here. You can see I just swooped them in with some got to be glued. Laid those baby hairs down. So it does make this wig look a little bit more natural, a little bit more put together. Very cute. We're going to take some pictures in it right now. But yeah, she just looks pretty normal for me. Nothing really big that I just wow about. She does feel soft, looks natural, very good length. So yeah, she's a really good length. Very cute. Pretty good length here. How's she look in the back? Look like a baddie? I think so. I really like this wig. I definitely don't have any complaints about it. Looks like a very good put together wig. Very nice. Think it'll be a good first time wig, or if you just want to get a new wig and make it look natural without spending a lot of money on human hair. I think she definitely gives that vibe. Okay, so that is it. Okay. Alright, so that is it for this review. I hope that you like it. If you did, leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And I will be leaving this link down in the description below, so I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!